So it's self-care day, guys, and I'm going to be using my hair care tray today. So here, of course, I have all my products. This is the iPink Root Nourisher oil, and here is the hair butter, the hair aloe, and the Root Nourisher kit. Well, today I'm going to do a demo on the hair butter because a lot of people have asked me how to use a hair butter. So that's exactly what we're going to do today. So a quick run through of what I do. I start with brushing my hair thoroughly. Guys, please brush your hair out thoroughly. I know brushing hair has been a nightmare for a lot of people. I completely understand what you're going through because I've had so many clients in the past. I've had people who've told me that I just don't want to even touch my hair because I don't know whether it's gonna just all come out in my hand, and that's such a sad thing. And I know how they have put effort and got their entire hair absolutely back to great health, and today they flaunt healthy hair, and that's what makes me so happy and proud. So I have brushed my hair out thoroughly, and I'm going to be using my Root Nourisher oil. So this is just a demo, guys, because a lot of people just want to know how is the routine to be followed. So I will use a little oil in my hand. And that's the instant absorbing oil, guys. It smells so good, and it's something that I look forward to. Actually, a lot of people feel lazy to do their DIYs, but I think I'm totally in love with these products, and I just love to look forward to doing all my DIYs. So this is a quick oiling session, that's it. If you wish to do a nice root massage, you can, and it's important just to make sure that the oil nicely spreads in your hair. That's so important. And once it has spread nicely into your hair, that's it. You don't need to overload your hair with oil. That's why these products last you for so long. A lot of people tell me that the oil, the roll-ons, all the things that they've bought from me, they've just been using them for such a long time. It's been lasting them for so long. That's because you just need very little of everything, and the quality is, of course, what I vouch for. So I'm sure you guys will also like it. So that's it. You saw the amount of oil that I used, and my hair looks nice and shiny and oily already. So I have the oil in my hair now, and I'm ready to go to the next step. This took me exactly 2 minutes, guys. And now I'm going to use my Root Nourisher for my hair, which I'm not going to show you because you've already seen it many times. And I'm going to be using the hair butter, which I want you guys to see. So this is my used Root Nourisher kit, guys. For all those who are already using the kit, I just want you to know that it's very important. When you open the kit, this is how it looks after using it. So this has been used for 2-3 times, and this is like almost half of it still left. It lasts for a good month, almost 6 to 8 uses, guys. So it will last you for a long time. And please mix nicely. Anything which is natural will have some sedimentation. You will always see like a thick layer and a thin layer, slightly separated. These are natural handmade organic products, so always shake well everything and mix well. So here, if I mix it well nicely, here this balance is perfect, and this will last you exactly in the same manner till the last drop. So important. Similarly, when you're using your tonic, please mix it nicely. That's very important. So mix this well and mix this well, and that's when we start using our kit. So now comes the hair butter, which we've been eagerly waiting for. And this is a fresh jar which I'm opening today, guys. My one jar is already over, and this is the way it sets. It smells absolutely amazing, and I'm just gonna take this little butter. It's absolutely, I'm in love with this butter, guys, and this has helped my frizzy hair, dry hair, all the frizz, all the dryness of my hair, that brittle look of my hair has gone with this, and I just love this particular hair butter for my hair. A lot of people also mix this with their conditioner, but I would like to mix it with my natural hair aloe. And this is a used kit again, guys. This is what I have been using, and this makes it even more natural instead of mixing it in anything else. And I'm gonna just put about 2 heap teaspoons of this, 2 to 3, and now I'm going to blend this up nicely to make a lovely hair butter for my lens. And it's time to butter your hair. So I have very little quantity, guys. You don't need like a whole lot of it because it's just gonna evenly smoothen out in the hair. You can also take a little water if you want in thin sections, but I've already oiled my hair, so this is just optional. And just take small thin sections. That makes it very easy for it to spread, and it will also use up lesser quantity. It will spread very easily if you're using water. And even if you're not using water, this will still spread. So I'm just going to show you in a small section that I'm going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to just simply apply it to my lens. If you want to just use your fingers, you can simply use your fingers. It makes things so much faster and easier. So you can just take a little butter in your hands and use it in thin sections. So this is like a deep conditioning for your hair. If you want something very nourishing for your hair and you don't want to do this every time you can just use some hair aloe. And otherwise, if you have very dry frizzy hair, I've received so many pictures of people sending their hair which is very dry and frizzy, then in that case, yes, please use this butter. I think it's a must, and I think it's a must anyway. At least, you know, once in 15 days you should do this minimum, if not on a weekly basis. If you have very dry hair, I would recommend even twice a week. But if you don't have very dry hair, you can also section it in areas. Like suppose this area is very dry for you. This area is generally very dry for most people because it's exposed to the sun, and this goes through highest stress and pollution, the centered area. And this is where you can like generally target a lot of butter and, you know, leave this for a long period of time if you want, and just use it on this area. So it all depends how you want to use it. And I'm going to use this butter throughout thin sections of my hair. I choose to put water. I just find it much easier to smoothen this out. And little sections of damp hair with hair butter. And I'm going to sit in this for 20 minutes. And I'll be ready for my shower and for healthy, smooth, shiny hair through the week.